Hi Eagles, I just wanted to make a directions video for your multiple representations assignment. Remember that this assignment is taking the place of a unit test. We are about 1 week into this unit, so you will not know how to do everything right now on this project, but we wanted to assign it in enough time that you could work on a little bit at a time as we go through this unit. So on this blank slide, this is where the video that I'm currently making will go. So it's going to be the video that you watch for directions, okay? On the second slide is where you kind of have a checklist. Follow the directions to complete the work on each of the following slides. Be sure to ask questions and show your thinking on scratch paper. We are going to ask that you either attach your scratch paper to this assignment or add additional slides at the end and put the picture of your scratch paper on those slides. That works too. Once you've completed it, you are going to do the exit ticket, and you will also submit the exit ticket, okay? So this next slide is your checklist that you'll go through to make sure you've done slide 3, slide 4, slide 5, slide 6, and then the exit ticket as well. So let's talk about slide 3. I'm sorry, slide 4. I guess you could just check off slide 3 because, hey, that is slide 3. Yay, we read slide 3. Check. All right, slide 4. It says drag and match the correct equation to represent each given table in the middle. Not all pieces will be used. So again, there's only 4 questions. So you will only use 4 of these, and this is pretty simple. You just drag and drop where you think they'll go, okay? On slide 5, in each problem, determine which representation matches the given equation. Create a circle around A or B or both letters to demonstrate which representations match. So what you're going to do is, if the equation is y equals 5x, you're going to look at A and you're going to look at B and see if both of those representations match that equation. If they do, you are going to draw a circle using your shape tool. So you'll go to shapes and then you'll go to circle. A little cursor will come up and it will allow you to draw a circle around your letters. You can click on this and then go to the fill color and choose transparent if you just want it to be a circle like this, okay? And then if B matches y equals 5x, I would leave it there and I would go on to my next problem, okay? So that's how you do the circle tool. On slide 6, using the shape tool, create a line to connect the scenario to a table and then to an equation with the same relationship. Not all choices will be used. So you're going to go to the line. This is the line tool, and it will allow you to, and I'm just doing this as an example, I'm not saying this is the one that should match. Draw from here to here, and then you can do another line, and again, I'm just doing this as an example, I'm not saying that these match from here to here, okay? And if you want to, you could make this line red so that it matches this red line over here, and you can also kind of play with the width of them. If you want them to be a little bit darker, you can move the points and it'll be a little bit darker, okay? But that's how you use the line tool to draw within that slide 6. I'm going to go back and delete these, and remember, again, they were just an example. I'm not saying that's where it should be. Let's look at slide 7. On slide 7, the grid below, one of the 4 representations does not match the other 3. Determine which representation does not match and use the typing tool to complete the white boxes at the right. So you would either say the description, the graph, the table, or the equation does not match the other 3, and this is how I know. So you'll type in this white box, okay? Or when you go to describe how you know that, you will type in this box. Okay, that's how you answer slide number 6. And then you will go to your exit ticket. So what you will do is go back to Google Classroom and you will access your exit ticket on the same assignment. It will be attached. You will go do your exit ticket there, and you are finished with this assignment. So you can submit it and turn it in as long as you attach your scratch paper. I also would like to point out that this assignment does come with a rubric attached. So it will tell you exactly how many points slide 4 is worth, slide 5 is worth, slide 6, slide 7, and then your exit ticket. If you have any questions at all, reach out to your teacher. If there's any questions that I didn't answer in this video, make sure you let your teacher know. And again, we don't expect for you to know how to do the entire thing as soon as we assign this. However, as we work throughout this unit, you should be able to go to the slides after we have talked about those things and go and work on certain ones of them at a time, which is why we're giving this to you way in advance. And again, this is going to be a major grade. It will replace a unit test grade, okay? Let us know if you have any questions. Have a great day.